Welcome. Today, we're diving into Python's loop control statements: break, continue, and pass. These tools give you precise control over how your loops execute, making your code more efficient and powerful. Loop control statements alter a loop's execution from its normal path. They empower you to skip iterations, exit a loop early, or simply do nothing and pass. This level of control is fundamental to writing more advanced and dynamic programs. The break statement is your emergency exit from a loop. When the program encounters break, it immediately terminates the loop it's in. As you can see, when our counter I reached 5, the break statement was executed and the loop stopped, preventing any further numbers from being printed. The continue statement lets you skip the rest of the current loop iteration and proceed to the next one. In this example, when I is 5, the continue statement is triggered. This skips the print command for the number 5, but the loop carries on with the next number, 6, and continues until it finishes. The pass statement is a placeholder. It does absolutely nothing. So why use it? It's useful when a statement is required by Python syntax, but you don't need any code to execute. For instance, you might use it in a class, function, or loop that you plan to complete later. Here, our loop does nothing when a number is even, but prints odd numbers. Let's quickly compare break and continue. Break exits the loop completely. Once it's called, the loop is over. Continue, on the other hand, just skips the current iteration and jumps to the beginning of the next one. Remember, break stops, continue skips. The break statement works just as effectively in while loops. Here, we have a while true loop, which would normally run forever. However, we've included a break statement that executes when x is greater than or equal to 5, safely ending our otherwise infinite loop. You can also use continue in while loops. It tells the loop to immediately start the next iteration. A word of caution: be careful not to create an infinite loop. If you use continue before the part of your code that changes the loop's condition, you might get stuck. Here, we increment x before the continue, avoiding that trap. When working with nested loops, it's crucial to know that break and continue only affect the innermost loop they are in. In this example, the break statement only exits the inner j loop when j equals 1. The outer I loop is unaffected and continues its iterations as normal. To sum it all up, break is used to exit a loop. Continue is used to skip the current iteration of a loop, and pass is used as a placeholder, doing nothing. Mastering these 3 statements is a big step in your Python journey. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.